Last time, we saw Fluffy's family begin to grow. Her clone, the black cat, the ugly one who turned out not so ugly after all. Each visit feels like a reunion, but today, something feels different. The air is colder. The leaves have all fallen. Winter is coming. I walk down the familiar alley with my bag of food rustling softly in the wind. Dry leaves crunched beneath my feet as I called out, "Fluffy." Almost instantly, she appeared, her tail high, weaving through the fallen leaves like a little flame against the gray ground. She's always the first one to show up, as if she's been waiting all day. Fluffy brushed against my legs before touching the food. It's her ritual. One soft greeting before every meal. Then she began eating slowly, confidently, like the queen she is. One by one, her family gathered around her. The black cat came next. The white and orange cat trotted in after. Then the ugly cat, whose scarred face now looked familiar, almost comforting. And then from the shadows, the clone cat appeared, with fur so similar it still confuses me, cautious as ever. But not all of them were ready to join. A new white cat sat on the wall, tail wrapped tightly around its paws, watching the others eat below. I called softly, hoping it would come down. For a while it didn't move, just stared with wide, cautious eyes. Then finally it jumped. A quick leap through the falling leaves, and suddenly the group had grown again. Fluffy glanced up once, then continued eating, calm and welcoming. The white cat circled the bowls nervously before taking a bite. It always amazes me how these strays find each other, how families form without anyone planning it. Maybe it's food, maybe it's warmth, or maybe it's just trust. Fluffy finished first, as always. She walked back to me, rubbed against my legs again, and purred. I poured her a little more food, her bonus portion. She deserves it. The orange and white cat came close, eyeing her plate. Fluffy didn't mind. She stepped aside and let it share. Watching them, I realized Fluffy's family isn't just growing in number, it's growing in heart. As the cold wind picked up, the group huddled closer together. The sound of crunching food mixed with the rustle of dry leaves. It was peaceful, almost like music. I looked at them and couldn't help but smile. "You've all come a long way," I whispered. "Let's get through this winter together." When the bowls were empty, one by one, they drifted off into the shadows. Fluffy lingered the longest, sitting quietly beside me, eyes half closed, fur glowing under the pale winter light. Before leaving, I took one last look around at the bowls, the fallen leaves, and the quiet alley that now felt alive with unseen warmth. Fluffy's family is getting bigger every day. Maybe next time there will be another new face. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to subscribe and share. Your support means the world. It gives me the courage to keep feeding them, filming their lives, and telling their stories. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.